welcome to my most exciting video to date. Today we replaced the Mark II TT with a new car. I'm sure I'll probably put it in the title. So I'm replacing it with a Mark III TTS. So I am currently 18 minutes. Oh, let's have a little pull in the two first. This thing's got some legs on it, I tell you. So yeah, so I'm currently 18 minutes away from dropping this car off. Last week's video and this week's video, as you can probably tell, were filmed on the same day. Before I could get 2 videos out. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm currently 18 minutes away from my new Audi TT Mark III TTS. So yeah, there ain't much more to say. Proper excited. We're gonna get there. Hopefully we'll be able to film there. And today mainly is just a reveal video. So stay tuned. Click the subscribe. And the journey starts with the Mark III TTS. Right, so here it is, the new car for Reveal, the Mark III Audi TTS. So like I said, a step up from the Mark II TT. This is a Mark III, it's a TTS. It's 310 horsepower from standard. It's got the 4-wheel drive quattro system. It's got the DSG gearbox, paddles. It's fully loaded, virtual cockpit, everything. But I mean, as you can see, it is absolutely stunning. And even though it breaks my heart to let the 2 go, I am in love with this car already. I haven't drove it much yet. Literally just wanted to unveil it to you as there's like a New Year's, new stuff coming to the channel. But yeah, I'm gonna give you a little walk and talk around it. But yeah. The new car for Reveal, the Mark III Audi TTS. So let me give you a little walk and talk around the car. Got these lovely LED headlights, which are very bright. Come around, we've got the TTS style grille. TTS on there, silver. I mean, all this is up for change. Obviously, we'll be changing the grille, we'll be changing the rings. Trying to find a carbon fiber one of these, if anyone knows. I'd like these to be all black, if anyone knows. We've got this lovely blue. I think this might be Sepang blue. If anyone knows, get in the comments. I've got to try and find the colour code on the car somewhere, but I think it's Sepang blue, but it is lovely. The plan was I was going to buy a black one, but I see this and was just like, yeah, this is it. Got the TTS brake calipers. At the moment, the car is on 19s. We'll be putting 20s on it. So, 20s will be coming. The TTS style silver mirror caps. I think they'll be going carbon. Again, the wheels, not a mark on any of the wheels. There's not really a mark on this car, full stop. We've already done a little couple of mods to the back here, but that'll be coming in the next video. See if you can notice what they are. We've got the quad exhaust pipes, which obviously we'll be putting a big exhaust on this car. I will cut in a little section of what the exhaust sounds like now. TTS on the back, the rings. I mean, it's just absolutely stunning. We've got the active rear spoiler. Again, will we be putting a big wing on? I'm not sure. Good old TT petrol cap. Might have to change that one to carbon fibre. We open up the door. Let me turn the lights off because got the ignition on, I think. That's right. Yeah, there you go. Got these lovely sports seats, the S embroidered in, like it's cross stitch. Obviously, we've got the usual tiny back seats, which you can barely see. This lovely minimalist interior. For turn, let me jump in. Shut the door. Get the TTS in there. If we turn the ignition on, there we go, now you can see. So you've got a lovely virtual cockpit. We've got the controls for the AC in here. We've got heated seats. Car's got quite a few options on it. We've got the all important drive selector there, the DSG gearbox, all the controls for the MMI system, which I still have not got a clue how to work. We've got the nice Bang & Olufsen sound system, which sounds amazing. Been pumping the tunes in there already. I mean, just look at that virtual cockpit. We've got the sat nav. If I change the view, you've got the sat nav. You've got a big display in the middle, which just looks amazing. We've got a telephone, radio, media. The only thing the car doesn't have, it doesn't have Apple CarPlay, but I am going to get that added. There'll be a video coming on that soon. But yeah, let's turn the engine off. There you go, TTS. But yeah, I mean, what an amazing car. What an absolute beauty. What a step up. This is a culmination of a lot of hard work for me. I see it as a real big step up from the two. I'm hoping you lot do as well. I'm hoping you're going to be as excited to see the journey with this one as you was to see it with the Mark II. The mods on this one are going to be on another level. There's going to be so many more mods. This is going to be a proper showstopper. And I can't wait to take the journey all together. But I'll do a few more little B-roll shots of the car. Mods have already begun with the car. The next video is a mod on the car, and there's also some mods coming on the Ducati as well, because some more parts got delivered yesterday. So stay tuned. Make sure you click the subscribe, click the bell, and I'll catch you on the next one.